Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here I'm going to share a solution for what you'll say the company which I mentioned in the group, the Telegram group. Okay, so here I'm going to share a solution for that. Actually, the query is count how many the employees did continuous project. Okay, continuous project, you have to count how many are there. They are mentioned the employee names, and not only that, you have to do you have to use three functions over there. Okay, I will explain you what are those functions, so why we have to use those functions in that scenario. All those things I will explain you. Let's move to this screen. Okay, here is the screen. Okay, so you have to count how many employees, the Shastri did continuous project with three functions you have to do. Already I mentioned that three functions. One is frequency. I'll write it down. One is frequency. Second one is row, and third one I'll show you in the formula. Okay, and one another thing is there for totally four. Sorry, another thing is logical. Two things, and last one which we have to use means I will show in the formula. Then only you can able to understand. I'll explain you what is frequency will do, what will the row will do, and what if will do. Okay, these are the things I'm going to share each and every step. Okay, and what this video still end. Right, guys? These are the functions I will use. First one thing, frequency, row, and if. Okay. So here I will show you the another method. First of all, I will pick up the row. Okay. So what it will do, let's see. Okay. Row of select the range F4. I'm using 365. So you have to use Control Shift and Enter for this row. So it will pick up 2, 3 till 22 like this. F9. Okay. Now what I'll do here, I will ask the logic function that if in this range equal to Shastri. Okay, comma. Here I log the range. Okay, you have to do, however I'm doing, you have to do like that only. Okay, so locking the range, but not this one. Because when I drag this formula, it should move relevantly. Okay, if logic, if it is true, what will happen? Okay, so let's check it out by pressing F9. Okay, I forgot the parenthesis over there. Okay. F9. See, here observe. Here clearly observe that 4, 5, 6 and 10. Here 4, 5, 6 is there. Okay. So its count is 3. Okay. And here only single time it is that the position is in 10. Right. Now I will show you how to do. The same formula, Control C, in place of bins, frequency, sorry, I use frequency here. I forgot frequency. Okay, this is the data range. Okay, this is the data range. And again, I'll keep the comma over here. And for bins, I use the same function, but I use is not equal to. That's it. The formula is that's it. Okay. And the last function, I said totally four. One is frequency, row, and if. Now, the last function which I'm going to use is, I will show you. I'll press F9 here. Sorry, F9. See, the 3, 4, 5, 6 is clubbed at one place and counted, it is 3. and remaining one place that is 10th and it's showing only 1. Okay, understood guys? The 10th row is showing as a 1 and remaining zeros and the occurring 3 times is showing like this. Simply use max over here. It's an array function. You have to use Control Shift and Enter. Close parenthesis and simply press enter because I'm using Microsoft 365. So you have to use Control Shift and Enter if you are using 2010 function. Enter. Drag this forward. Okay, guys. And if at all, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box and you can join my Telegram group, Excel Guru, and I'm mentioning that group link in this video comment. Okay. I'll pin it also. So whoever wants to join, they can join by clicking on that link. Thank you guys. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel.